At 4:30, another huge step towards rail service along the Front Range as we get a first glimpse at what a potential Amtrak station in Pueblo could look like.
KRDO News Channel 13's Barbara Fox is live on B Street in the Steel City, where this new system is inches closer to becoming a reality. Barbara?
Or Heather, this dirt lot I'm standing on could potentially be a future train station serving Pueblo. And I spoke with one resident about the design finally getting revealed after what seems like a lifetime of planning.
I'm glad they're starting to do it and talking about it again. I did vote for it in 2016, so I hope they carry through this time.
That's Ron Polchak, who's excited to see this project finally come together.
I think Amtrak would be a great idea coming to Pueblo. And like I was saying before, I didn't really want to drive to La Junta to hop on an Amtrak train, where here I'd be more apt to use it, and I would use it.
So this project has been in the works for many years and is something voters wanted in a 2016 ballot question.
We're far ahead of all the other cities along the Front Range. It just happened. We started earlier than everyone else. They're still trying to figure out even where these places would be along the Front Range.
The project is aimed at two proposed services: Front Range Rail that would run from Fort Collins to Pueblo, and an expansion of Amtrak's long-distance Southwest Chief Line that could connect La Junta to Pueblo and Colorado Springs. And these new pictures show the first look at the new modern train system coming soon near the Union Depot.
Building that exciting experience in there. You know, we see this as a place again where that ties this rich history. You know, you have the Union Depot today, you have the news station, you'll have the Heritage Museum, you have the Outdoor Rail Museum. It really becomes this rich thing.
And people like Polchak are looking forward to not having to drive so far to hop on a train.
I can't drive that long. I have been having trouble with my legs, so I really can't sit in the car and drive. On an Amtrak, I just lay back, and that's no problem then.
As of right now, they're only 10% of the way towards a final design, but the city says there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. The next step, getting to that 30% mark. Reporting live in Pueblo, Barbara Fox, KRDO News Channel 13. Yeah.